Hi dears, nice to meet you again. So I am going to teach 10th standard mathematics. The first chapter is relations and functions. The first subtopic is types of functions. There are four types of functions. So first one-to-one function, second one many-one function, third one on-to function, fourth one into function. So there are four types of function. The first one-to-one function, second one many-one function, third one on-to function, fourth one into function. What are the types of functions? Yes, four types of function. First one-to-one function, second one many-one function, third one on-to function, fourth one into function. Then now I will explain types of function one by one. So first one-to-one function. What is one-to-one function? Here, listen. Here, one-to-one function. What is one-to-one function? A function f. F is a function. A tends to B is called one-to-one function. If distinct elements of A set have distinct image, that is only one image, that is called one-to-one function. Here, a one-to-one function is also called an injection. So one-to-one function, so another name is injection. A one-to-one function is also dash. A one-to-one function is also called dash. Yes, injection. So injection is a one-to-one function. So first one, so for example, calls. I will take one calls. For example, four types of numbers. 87 one person number, and then 24 is another one person number, and 15 is another one person number, 22 is another one person. Here 87 called Sudesi, 87 is called Sudesi, then 24 called Vetri, and then 15 called Bala, and 22 calls Ajay. So here four types of phone calls number, then calls any one of the person. So it is called one-to-one function. So every elements have one image. It is called one-to-one function. So here 87 is a one person, and second 24 is another one person, 15 is another one person, and 22 is another one person. So everyone called at a time only one person. It is called one-to-one function. So every elements have one pre-image, that is called one-to-one function. This is the best example here. Second, many-one function. What is many-one function? So here a function f, A tends to B is called many-one function. If two or more elements have image in B. So here one element, here Sujit, here for example person, this film name, here person name Sujit, Gaja, Sanjay, Venkat, Suresh, Ramesh. It's like this. Here Sujit watches Asuran, and Gaja watches Darbar, Sanjay watches Asuran, and Venkat watches Bigil, Suresh watches Bigil, and Ramesh watches Bigil. So here 3% watches only one film. So here one image have two or three different images. Two or three different pre-images are called many-one function. Here one film watches by 3%. So it is called many-one function. So here one film watches by 3%. Venkat, Suresh, Ramesh. So here also another one film, Asuran watches by 2%, Sujit and Sanjay. So here two or more person watches by at a time one film, that is called many-one function. Here if two or more elements have image in B. So here 3% watches by one film, that is called many-one function. Okay. So one-to-one function is called as nothing but any one of the persons see one film, that is called one-to-one function. Here 3% watches one film, that is called many-one function. So 2 or more person watches by one film, that is called many one function. So one person watches one film, another one person watches by another film. So it is called one to one function. Here 2 or more persons watches one film, it is called many one function. So reversing condition also is satisfied. Begin film watches by 3 person. Here Asuran film watches by 2 person. So it is called many one function. So understood the concept? Here 2 person, that is Sujit and Sanjay watches Asuran, and Venkat, Suresh, Ramesh watches Begin. So this is called many one function. So next, onto function. What is onto function? A function f, A tends to B, is said to be one to one function if the image of f is equal to the codomain of f. So here 12 calls number and person. So here 12, the number 12 calls Satish, and 56 calls Lingesh, 23 calls Raja, and 45 calls Thiru, another one 45 calls Raja, 67 calls Satish. Here at a time 2 persons call 1 person, 2 persons call at a time 1 person. Here 2 persons call 1 person, it is called onto function. Here another one conditions, the important condition, here codomain, so every element have pre-image. So here codomain have pre-image. So here what are all elements is there? Satish, Lingesh, Raja, Thiru. Here pre-images, so all the elements are, that is called onto function. So another one conditions, codomain and range are equal. Here codomain Satish, Lingesh, Raja, Thiru, and then range also Satish, Lingesh, Raja, Thiru. So here 4 person codomain and then range also 4 person. It is called onto function. Okay. So every elements are pre-image. That is called onto function. So here codomain and range are equal. Codomain and range are equal. That is the important condition. So codomain and range when are equal, so each elements have pre-image, that times only codomain and range are equal. So Satish, Lingesh, Raja, Thiru are codomain, and then so the 4 person are range. It is called onto function. The next one, final, into function. What is into function? So the same condition, a function A tends to B is called an into function if there exists at least one element in B which is the image of any element of A. Here one element is not their pre-image, that is called into function. Any one of the element does not have pre-image. One element does not have pre-image, that is called into function. Any one of the elements set B does not have pre-image, that is called into function. So very important conditions is the simple life oriented example, customers C1, C2, C3, C4, 4 customers. These products, television, washing machine, air conditioner, water heater, mobile phone. Here customer 1 buy washing machine, customer 2 buy television, customer 3 buy mobile phone, customer 4 buy air conditioner. Here water heater does not buy any one of the person. So water heater does not have pre-image. Here television have one image, that is C2. Washing machine have image pre-image C1, and air conditioner have pre-image C4, and mobile phone have pre-image C3. But water heater does not have pre-image, that is called into function. So set B, any one of the function, any one of the element does not have pre-image, that is called into function. So here water heater does not have pre-image, so it is called into function. So here codomain and range are not equal. Whenever codomain and range not equal means that is next bijection. What is bijection? Here one-to-one function and onto function. So one-to-one function, onto function satisfied, then f is called bijection. Here one example. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is A side and this B side. Here A, B, C, D. So 1 relate A, next 2 relates C, 3 relates D and 4 relates B. Here every element have one image. It is one-to-one function. So any one of the elements have one image. This one element have image and one element have image. This is one-to-one function because every element have one unique image. That is called one-to-one function. This is a domain and domain, this one 1, 2, 3, 4 and codomain A, B, C, D. Here codomain and range. What is range? Here domain, domain 1, 2, 3, 4 and codomain, codomain, codomain A, B, C, D and range. What is range? What are elements domains have to relate codomain, that elements are range. Here range A, B, C, D. So here A, B, C, D is a range. Then codomain and range are equal means that is onto function. So here this condition one-to-one function also, one-to-one function one-to-one function and onto function. So one-to-one function and onto function satisfied means that is name is bijection. One-to-one function and onto function satisfied, that is bijection. So here a one-to-one function, a one-to-one function and a onto function is satisfied bijection. So I will ask some questions for these functions. Here one-to-one function, one-to-one function is also called dash. Sanjay, tell me the answer. Yes, injection. So here onto function is also called dash, surjection. So here one-to-one function, onto function satisfied is called dash, bijection. So 3 types of questions. If A set is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 5 elements and find A tends to B is an onto function. What is onto function? Every element of set B have pre-image, that is called onto function. So here defined by f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1. Here A set is x value. I am assume the value x value is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and then I substitute the values -2, get some values, that is called codomain, that is B. So here first of all write x value -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These 5 numbers are x value. First of all x value -2 means the f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. What is x value? -2. So -2 the whole square plus -2 plus 1. -2 whole square, what is the value? Yes, -2 into -2. So -2 into -2. So 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus. So plus 4. Then after plus into minus. Plus into minus, what is the value? Yes. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 2 plus 1. So 4 minus 2, what is the value? 2. 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. This is x value minus 2 means what is the value? F of x value, that is f of minus 2. So f of minus 2 value is 3. The next x equal to minus 1. So what is x equal to minus 1? X equal to minus 1. Then f of minus 1 equal to x value is minus 1. So here minus 1 the whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 square. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus into minus plus. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Here plus into minus minus. So 1 minus 1 0. 0 plus 1 1. So 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 1. So next x equal to 0. So here x equal to 0 means f of 0. So f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 0 plus 1. 0 square value 0 plus 0 plus 1. So add means 0. Here 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1. That's it. Next x equal to 1. So here x equal to 1. So now f of 1. F of 1 equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 1. 1 square value 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. This is the fourth part. Next x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means what is the value f of 2? So f of 2 is equal to 2 square. X value is 2 square. Next plus 2 plus 1. Here 2 square. 2 into 2 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 6 plus 1 7. So 7 is the answer. B set is the first x equal to minus 2 means so 1. Next minus 1 means 3. Next is 7. So here 2 elements are repeated. Here 1 already repeated and 3 also already repeated. So 1 3 7. That's it. The B set is 1 3 7. Here I will write A set. A set is minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. This A set. And B set is 1 3 7. Here A set, I will explain arrow diagram. Here the first element is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Next B set is 1, 3, 7. Minus 2 substitute means what will be the value get? Minus 2 substitute means minus 2. What will be the value? Yes, 3. So minus 2 substitute means 3. Minus 2 substitute means 3. Next minus 1 value substitute means here 1. 0 substitute means what will be the value? 1. The next 1 substitute means what will be the value get? 1. What will the value get? 3. So 3. So next 2 substitute means what will be the value get? 7. So 2 relates 7. So every element have image. It is called one-to-one function. And then here one-to-one function means here one element relate, that is called one-to-one function. Here this onto function, because here codomain and range are equal. So here codomain and range are equal. Therefore it is a onto one. கீழே இருக்கிற வீடியோவில் பாருங்கள், அதுக்கு கீழே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொஷின் பேப்பர், ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல் அண்டு செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட், இந்த மூணும் இருக்கும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோஸ் வாட்ச் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் இருக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு சம்ஸும் நீங்கள் கிளியராக பார்த்துக்குங்க. டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா அந்த இடத்துல உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல் இருக்கும், அதில் இருக்கிற சம்ஸை நீங்கள் வெரிஃபை பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக புரிஞ்சிடும். சேம் டைம் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கொஷின் பேங்க் இருக்கும். அந்த கொஷின் பேங்க்கில் என்னென்ன கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதுக்கு ஆன்சரை நீங்கள் முதல்ல ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கள். அதே போல் ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல் வச்சு நீங்கள் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதுக்கப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தனியாக நோட்டு போட்டு டெஸ்ட் நோட் போட்டு நீங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ்கிட்ட சைன் வாங்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் டெஸ்ட்டை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபுல்லாக கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து நம்ம ஸ்கூல் நம்பர் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு அனுப்பும். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்.